In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a workflow in N8n in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to streamline your automation process or simply explore the vast possibilities N8n offers, importing a workflow is a crucial step. So let's get started by navigating through this straightforward process. First, you need to open your web browser and visit the official N8n website. Make sure you have reliable internet access to avoid any interruptions during the import process, as a stable connection is essential for seamless operations in N8n. Once you're on the N8n site, navigate to your workflow editor. This is your main hub for managing automations, so you'll need to make sure you're logged in and have access to the necessary permissions to import workflows. Next, within the Workflow Editor interface, look towards the top navigation bar. You'll see a set of icons designed to enhance user experience. Find the one that consists of 3 dots, often referred to as More Options. This icon is your gateway to accessing additional functionalities, including the import feature. When you click on these 3 dots, you'll be presented with 2 distinct options for importing your workflow: import from URL and import from file. The choice depends on where your workflow's JSON file is stored. If it's located on a platform like GitHub, or perhaps a shared online resource, use the Import from URL option. On the other hand, if you have the JSON file stored locally on your computer, opt for Import from File. For those importing from a URL, copy the complete URL address where your workflow is hosted and paste it into the designated field within N8n. If you're importing from a local file, click the option to browse through your files. This will open a file selector window, allowing you to navigate through your directories to locate and select the desired JSON file of the workflow you intend to import. Once you've pasted the URL or selected your local file, N8n will start to import the workflow. During this step, it's important to be patient, as the import time can vary depending on the file size and internet speed. However, rest assured, this process is generally swift and efficient. After N8n completes the import, you'll see the workflow appear directly within your editor. It should be ready for you to review, configure further if necessary, and set in motion. Make sure to examine the imported workflow to ensure all parameters are correctly configured according to your project needs before you execute any automation tasks. By following these steps, you'll have successfully imported a workflow into N8n, thus enhancing your automation capabilities and efficiency. Enjoy exploring the possibilities that this versatile tool offers.